morning, good noon, good afternoon, and good evening to all. Welcome back to my show. Welcome back to the God Prepared Show. And today we'll have an unleashing of Kit. And yeah, we have this one right here. Okay, so with my I found my cutter, this big one. So with this cutter, it's a little bit rusty but still useful. Let's go. Let's unleash this Kit. Where's that part? Go. Okay, and we unleash the... Ooh, this is your HG Cosmic Era Black Knight Squad Shiva A. Shiva? Yeah, I don't know. It's like this one. It's SHI-VE.A. So that's how, maybe that's how you will pronounce it. Shiva A. I don't know, but yeah, this is a mono eye. Yes, it's a mono eye kind of unit, and this is from the Cosmic Era and from the movie Gundam Seed Freedom. Yep. So this is one of the Kate mono eye Power Rangers like kind of unit. Yeah, Power Rangers kinds of unit, because they have different colors. The first one right here is the red one. We have a yellow, we have green, I think we also have blue. I don't know, I didn't see yet the movie, so I don't have any idea about it. But yeah, this is your Shiva, yeah, the Black Knight Squad Shiva A. And yeah, it's very nice. Even it has some details right here which it is not painted. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, this side right here. So that's the unpainted detail of our Black Knight, and it's very nice kind of box right here. It's dark, but yeah, it's dark, but it has a details right there, so it's nice also. So we have here some actions on the other side of the box. It's not yet an unboxing, okay, but I just want you to introduce to the box. So it has a double joint neck. And the best part of this one is it has this cape, it's like a flared cape. So yeah, it's like it's a beam kind of cape, which like on your beam saber, yeah, like that. And then the downside, yeah, because I already saw some of the reviews of other Gundam reviewers already, that this one has a lot of stickers. Yeah, this one. Okay, it's not yet an unboxing, I just want to see the stickers. And yeah, it has a 2 tones of gray, and those 2 tones of gray, they need to have that with the use of a sticker and not a separate part, which is much better if it is separated, color separated parts. But yeah, Bandai decided to have it as a sticker, so we don't have any say for that. But yeah, it depends on the reviewers, just like me. Maybe I will use the stickers or not, but yeah, for now, maybe I will, maybe I will not. It depends on what are the stickers, just like what I'm doing right now with the what is that one, your Rising Freedom Gundam, which I'm not yet finished. I don't know if I will post this video of the Black Knight Squad. Maybe I'm already finished with this one. But yeah, stickers very big. It has a very big stickers, so I don't know if it will be nice, it will have a nice outcome. But still, it depends on how you will build it and how you will interpret the kit. You can also paint it, maybe just like me, I paint some of the details. But yeah, if it will take time, then I will just go over with the stickers, okay? Because you can see there, this kit will go to the Backlog Paradise. But yeah, it's new, maybe I will give some priority for that, for this kit to be built first. But still, I still have so many backlogs right there, and more on the over or under those boxes. So there are some box that was already been down on that box. So yeah, maybe I will have them first, because there's I can see their conditions right now. Those boxes are been piped down, okay? So yeah, maybe I will have them first next time. But for now, yeah, we unleash the Black Knight Squad Shivi A. Shivi. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like these videos and content, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification button to be informed for my next videos. Okay, so yeah, this is our Black Knight Squad Shivi A. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jake the Pass and God Show signing off. Bye.